welcome to today's installation tutorial. I'm going to be going over with you the install instructions right now for the 24 plus F150 front bumper covers. As we go along, I'll be watching the video with you and providing some insight and maybe some tips that will help you during your install. So when I get to a part that I want to talk a little bit more about, I'll just pause the video, talk to you guys about it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the tools that you're going to need for this are some trim tools, a clean cloth, and your adhesion promoter. That will come with your installation instructions. You'll need some alcohol as well. The first step is to remove the areas of plastic trim that we need to get up to prepare for the dry fit. So that's those corner step pad areas. To do the dry fit, you install the bumper cover without removing the red backing to the 3M tape. So that's actually very important. You make sure everything fits the way that you want it to. If you have a painted color, you make sure your OEM paint matches. Just make sure you like the look while you're doing your dry fit, because after you remove that tape, you can't take it back. So do your dry fit, then make sure everything lines up correctly. Especially important when you have parking sensors. This particular version does not, but that also helps center the cover. So I'm going to pause it here. What we used before to position it is those interior style lines on the side covers with the center cover, so that'll help you get it centered the way it's supposed to. The first step for the actual installation itself is to clean the bumper with alcohol, rubbing alcohol. You want to make sure and clean all the surfaces, so this is important. So I'm going to pause it here again. It's important to clean the bumper surface, even if you just took your car through the car wash or you just hand washed it, because sometimes soaps and waxes leave behind residue. So make sure that all of that is taken off with the alcohol. You want your bumper as clean as possible when you do the install. After you've cleaned it with the isopropyl alcohol, now you use that 3M adhesion promoter pen. You basically put that pen over the areas of the bumper where the 3M tape is going to be touching down. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I'm going to pause it again. So here what I'm doing is I'm peeling back just the corner of that red backing to the 3M tape. So you take that corner, you peel it around to the front side, and you tape it to the front side. The reason why you do that on certain areas of the truck or certain areas of the bumper cover is this makes it so that you are leaving yourself an area to peel back that tape and fully expose the tape once it's in the place that you want it to be, but it won't affect the install while you're doing it. So you'll leave a little piece of tape exposed, but you'll take off the rest of it when you do your final install and everything's in position. So these other pieces of tape, you can remove the entire red backing. You can't access them after you've installed the part, so you have to remove all the red backing. Okay, so again, we're peeling up that, or prying up the plastic little bumperette, because just the edge of the side cover is going to slip underneath there. You start installing from the outside of the bumper in, so that's why I start with the wheel well and I go towards the center. You make sure everything's tucked in the way that you want it to be, and then after it's tucked in, now you can put the pressure on that 3M tape. That activates the adhesive within the tape, and so now it's going to be fully adhered. And then after you do that, you can pop that pad back down. Okay, on the other side, we're going through the same steps with the tape again, the peeling back and taping on the edge, and then removing the red backing on the rest of it. Again, prying up the plastic there. That bottom edge is a little tricky because sometimes those pieces are a little, that center piece that runs along the bottom is a little tighter to the bumper than other pieces. So just make sure you get it in there. You can use your plastic trim tool to give you some more leverage. Okay, so I'm going to pause it here. So this is an area where I actually screwed up, so I'm going to hopefully save you guys from making the same mistake that I did. So I popped down that bumperette plastic trim on top of my bumper covers before I peeled back that protective film. So you don't want to do that. You want to peel back the protective film on just the side, or you don't have to take it off the whole thing. You can if you want, but just on that area as it heads toward the center and where this center cover is going to be overlapping it, you want to peel the protective film back before you pop the plastic down. So if you can continue, you can kind of see what I had to do. So I had to get the trim tool in there and give myself some space so the protective film could get pulled out. I'm doing the same things on the other side. You can see me, what I had to do, I had to re-pop the plastic trim off and then give myself some room to get the rest of it. Okay, so now we're gonna be installing the center. So this one, you just peel all the red backing off at the same time. So the issue with that is that now the whole thing's exposed. So as soon as it touches down, that's where it's gonna be. So make sure you get it right. Again, using those indentations in the side covers to center it, and then put good pressure along the whole surface. Then after that's done, now you can remove the pull tabs of red backing that you had from the beginning of the install, and then put good pressure on those areas. And then the best part, peeling protective film off your cover, and that should give you a perfect surface. Nothing's touched it so far. It's just had the protective film on it since we formed it, since we got the sheet in our factory. Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope that was an easy install for you and some of my insights helped with your install, and hopefully your truck looks brand new. Like honestly, this is a really easy install to make a huge difference on your truck. So please send us pictures. We love before and after pictures. Please send us those. And tell your friends about this product. If they have an F-150 or any of the other trucks that we make the bumper covers for, let them know. Thanks for watching.